What's going on, guys? It's Nicole Charnel here, and it's been 5 months, almost 6 months, and it's time for me to redo my hair. Time for another lock update. So, of course, my hair is a mess, but I wanted to do this video a little bit differently this time so I could show you guys what my hair looks like after. This is probably about 4 weeks, a good 4 weeks, maybe even 5 of growth. I think I've washed my hair maybe once or twice in between doing a retwist, but that's what we're going to do today. Wash my hair and retwist it. So to wash my hair, I use Dr. Bronner's Castile soap. It's like the universal soap where you can use it for like so many different things, and I use it for my body wash and for my hair. I like that it's a natural product, and it works really good for washing my hair and getting all the gunk and stuff out, which I actually don't have a lot of because I only use water and castor oil in my hair. So it's pretty much just like oil buildup, but this soap does a great job of getting it all out. So after I've washed my hair, I just dry it, and I'm going to look through my hair. As you can see, I had some spaces where I still had some buildup, so I actually had to go back and wash again. But this is why I kind of really look at my hair and take a moment to check it out in between, because sometimes like the roots are just more compacted than I'm expecting. This is my first time doing locks, and I'm doing them myself, so there's a learning curve, but as you see, I still had some dirt there on my roots. So I just went ahead and washed my hair one more time. So after making sure my hair is nice and clean, I'm going to go ahead and separate my hair into a few sections. This is just going to make it easier for me to retwist my hair. So my hair is sectioned off, and I'm going to start with the back. So as you can see here, I have a decent amount of new growth, a decent amount. And my hair is very frizzy, and my hair is definitely locking up. I have some budding, and then I also have some bunching there, so I just wanted to really give you guys a good look at the back of my hair. Also, my roots, they didn't feel dirty, but kind of in the video they look like they're still a little dirty, so I really don't know. But like I said, they didn't feel dirty in the back of my hair. I kind of just have to go by how it feels, so I just went with that. And in this bottle I actually have castor oil and I think a little bit of avocado oil mix, and I'm just going to go ahead and put that like on my roots, rub it in, and then I'm going to start retwisting. So I just do like a little twist here with my fingers and then palm roll my hair down. I like when I palm roll because it kind of gets all the hairs down my whole lock to lay down. So I think it's super important for my hair to palm roll, but I try not to do it too tight. I try not to, pull too much because I don't want, of course, my hair to be pulling out and my locks to be falling out and to be causing issues with my hair. So I just palm roll, to a nice tightness, and then I use the clip, and then I move on to the next one. So here I'm just basically showing you the same thing again, and then I just clip it on under the same clip. When I first started doing my locks, I didn't use these flat clips. I had like the big like duckbill ones, and they just did not work out. So I purchased these smaller ones, and they worked out much better to really hold my roots down and to hold my twist down. And then as I go, I just kind of combine them and put like more than one lock into the clip. so I can make it easier for when I remove them after my twists are done. So my first row is finished, and I'm just going to move on to the next row. Same process, adding some oil to my roots and then palm rolling. So here in the front of my head, I am doing something a little bit different. I am actually interlocking the locks in the front, and I only do this on like the very first row and edge of my hair. And I'm just using this little needle interlocking tool, and I do a 3-point interlock. So I go up, I go front to back or back to front, and then I go down, and I just repeat that pattern. I decided to interlock the front part of my hair because this is the part that comes out the fastest when I exercise. So I like to exercise, but I also like my edges to stay nice. So this was like the easiest solution to interlock the front row or the front edges. And like I said, I only do the edge in the front row, and I don't do it too tight, just tight enough for it to stay really nice. And I just use this 3-point method until it's nice and tight. And then I also do like a little palm roll with my hand, and that just kind of gets like all the loose flyaways. I've seen some people like wrap the flyaways around, but I had a really hard time trying to like get that, so I just kind of palm roll it in my hand to really tighten up my flyaways. So that's really it for my hair. I palm roll the back and I do interlocking on the front, and I clip it all over and I leave it sit overnight most of the time. And that's what I did with this one. I left it clipped, and I also did like a little braid situation to have it all together underneath my bandana while I slept. So now I'm just going to take out my clips, and this is the next day. So this is like the easiest / hardest part to do, because a great fear of mine is leaving a clip in my hair all day long and not finding it until you get back home and realizing that no one is your friend because they didn't tell you that you left a clip in your hair all day. It's terrible. So once I get all my clips out, I'm just going to kind of go through and check out my hair. I have some of these ends here where like it looks like it's like holding on for dear life. And upon doing some research, people have said like don't clip these off, like don't cut them off. Like that's what I want to do. It's like just cut off that little, it looks like a single strand knot kind of to me. But some people have said like don't do that. So I kind of just like wrap it around the bottom of the lock so it won't be hanging, because like sometimes it's hanging and I think it just looks really crazy when my hair is done. So and you'll actually see one that's on the left side of my head, and it just looks wild. It's just like a little piece of lint hair hanging there. But anyway, this is my hair. I like how it turns out. I enjoy doing my own hair, my own locks. I'm really enjoying like the process of these locks and like how they're looking, and I really like them. I like the size of them. I think they're perfect for my size head and the style that I kind of want to go for and what I want them to look like. This time I kind of just let them be out. As the month went on, I realized that I probably maybe needed to do a style just so my roots would stay in just a little bit longer. So next month I'm going to try something different, but this day I just took out the clips and I let my hair down. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you are enjoying these videos, my lock updates, and me showing you what my hair looks like. I definitely am enjoying recording them, and of course enjoying the journey as well, because I'm loving my locks. I'm definitely loving the transition and seeing them grow. That's it for my 5-month lock update. If you want to see more of my locks and my hairstyles, you can check out my Instagram page, Nicole Charnell. I will link it down below. Other than that, you can hit my face on the screen to subscribe to my channel, or you can check out some of my other videos. I do videos on health and fitness, as well as minimalism and intentional living. So if you want to check out any of my videos, they'll be on the screen. Hope you do. You know you want to. Just go ahead, click one.